Here come the Caped Crusaders.
What?
Paco, what did you say to me earlier?
I see.
What do you have on?
A cape.
Can you grab that top for me?
What else do you have on?
Sorry.
It's okay.
Mikey dog.
Who are you?
Run away faster.
You're Paco? What's your superhero name?
I'm Spider-Man.
You're Superman?
Yeah. I'm Spider-Man. I'm Spider-Man. Oh, you monster!
Oh, Superman's okay. Are you okay? Say, I'm okay. Superman's okay. Oh, Jackson, look, you forgot your apple you said you were going to have for dessert.
Who are you?
Superman.
Superman? Who's your friend?
Abby.
No, who's that over there? In the cape. Who's the other guy in the cape?
Spider-Man.
He's Spider-Man?